first song I'm going to play for you is an old one I wrote called Sweet Missouri Rain. Made silent from the sky, mellow notes of bird songs play softly in reply. Through gentle mists of morning, through rippling grass and grain, a traveler rests his burden in the sweet Missouri rain. Sweet Missouri rain. Far from cold yet, though I've been gone a while, and the stories that I tell you would surely make you smile, for the words would never reach your ears of the feelings that I hide, and the yearnings left unanswered, and the tears held deep inside. Yes, the tears held deep inside. And the chill winds of the autumn flow swiftly o'er the plain, bear tidings with you homeward of the sweet Missouri rain, of the sweet Missouri rain. Far behind I've left my loved ones. Tell them that I care. Tell them that I miss them, and I wish I could be there. But the time is now for leaving. There comes another call to be amidst a splendor that can't be shared by all. No, it can't be shared by all. So unbounded must I wander, though be it oft alone, to where my fortune shall lead me, yet so far from home. And so I wrote this song for you, to take you through the night. May it bring you joy when you hear the words, when they tell you I'm alright. But I count the days till I come home, till you're in my arms again. 'Cause I'm standing here so all alone, in the sweet Missouri rain, drenched in sweet Missouri rain. Through gentle mists of morning, through rippling grass and grain, the traveler steeps his sorrows in the sweet Missouri rain. Thank you.